welcome again. We are back to our kitchen essentials. This is kitchen essentials number 5. Okay, but we are now in our kitchen essentials number 5, part 1. We are already in our finals, and I am going to show you desserts. Okay, this one is the first one, which is going to be a steamed dessert. Okay, so part 1, steamed dessert. So later, I will show you fried. I will also show you baked. Why? Because it will depend what materials or equipments you have at home. Okay. So today, this is also in preparation for your Christmas. So whatever you're going to prepare for your family. This is our basic puto. Okay. Filipino that is fond of this kind of dessert can also be used for what? It can also be with the meal. Okay. So our basic ingredient is we have flour. This is 2 cups of flour. Okay. And then, of course, every time you measure, you have to use the exact amount. You have to use a measuring cup. These are calibrated measuring cups. So it's very important to use the right kind. So for example, you're going to use a measuring cup. You have to level, okay, see to it that these ingredients are supposed to be properly measured with the exact amount and the exact measuring cup or a measuring spoon. Okay, may I repeat? I have my flour, I have the sugar, I have a baking powder, I have water, I have milk, and I have 1 piece of egg. Your egg that you're going to use here is going to be the medium egg, okay, not the large egg, okay. And I have butter. I also have cheese for the finishing product. Okay, just in case you don't have a steamer at home, you can use your rice cooker. Okay, so whatever equipments that you have at home, you can also use, yung kawali. Lalagyan nyo ng kaldero, pa-importante, tatakpan nyo pa rin siya. And that water under, that will cook the puto. Okay, so we have the first one. All you have to do is to sift. Okay, sift your flour. So I mentioned this is 2 cups, but later you will see in our procedure after the video. Okay, this is our 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. We have different kinds of flour. We have cake flour, we have bread flour, but this is all-purpose flour. Okay, why do we have to sift our flour? We have to sift our flour so that all the other, maybe, yung mga buo-buo dyan, okay, or may naihalong hindi dapat doon sa flour ninyo, ay maalis. It's also to have fine, okay, granules of our flour. Okay, so this is our all-purpose flour. This is 2 cups all-purpose flour. Okay, it's very easy because you can see all the ingredients are already here. All you have to do is to sift your flour. Okay. After sifting your flour, you can see there are some unwanted things that you can see here now after sifting. Okay, so we have the fine flour now. So you have your flour. We have here now our sugar. All you have to do is to mix it. And then we have our baking powder. Our baking powder, what we use is a tablespoon. Okay, so this is our baking powder. Okay, all you have to do is to mix all your dry ingredients together. This is flour, this is sugar, and the baking powder. Okay, and we now place our wet ingredients. So we have our milk. Our milk is exactly 1 cup, and 1/2 cup. Okay, so our milk, you have it here. Okay. There you are with our milk. We will now also place our water. Okay, slowly, so that you can mix it properly with all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Okay, so you have it there. See, just mix it slowly. Okay, para hindi natin maano yung mga buo-buo dyan. Dapat na-mix mabuti yung ating dry ingredients, which is your flour, your sugar, and your baking powder, your water, your milk, that has already been mixed. Okay, kita nyo, wala pa siyang buo-buo. And of course, our medium egg. Okay, so this is our egg. All you have to do it, place the whole egg. That's with your egg yolk and your egg white. Just beat it some more. Okay. So you can see, blend it well. If you don't have a wire whisk, you can actually use a fork. Okay. And the last one, of course, is our 1/4 cup of melted butter. Why do we have to melt our butter? Para wala po siyang buo-buo. Okay, so this is our steamer has already been on a while ago. So, dapat nag-boil na yung water, okay, bago natin ilalagay yung ating mixture. Okay, so that kids will also love this kind of puto. We will have 3 colors, okay? It's optional, okay? You can, if you wish to place color, fine. But if you don't like to place any color, it's also fine, okay? So this one is, we are adding red, okay? So here you are. It's a red food coloring. Remember food coloring ang ginamit natin. 2 drops lang ng food coloring ang ginamit ko dyan. Another color, maybe, you can have yellow, or what do you like? Green could be nice. Okay. So, here you are. I'm placing 2 drops of food coloring. Okay. So, this is our white. This is our red. And we have the green one. Okay. So, all you have to do now is to place them in your containers. So, this is our container. Okay. All you have to do is place it here now. There you are. In your steamer. One by one. And you will also place your cheese. Okay. So, here you are. That's it. So, we'll have it now to place one by one our white puto, our red puto, our green puto, and then steam. Okay. So, we have already placed our puto mixed already and our steamer. Okay, so ito na po siya. Eksakto lang po yan yung amount po niya na ginawa natin kanina. Actually, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, at least 20. 20 puto ito with a medium size of our mold. Okay. We are ready to place it in our steamer. Okay. There we are. So, cooked in 20 minutes. So, ito na po yung ating puto. Ito yung after 20 minutes of steaming. Okay. Approximately just 15 to 20 minutes. Depende po sa size ng ating puto. Ito po yung white puto. Ito po yung red kanina. At ito po yung ating green. Nakita nyo po, umalsa po siya at maganda pagkaalsa. Kapag na-overcook po ito, ang mangyayari magsasag po ito. So, tamang-tama lang yung pagkuha nyo ng after 20 minutes. Okay. So, we are going to try this now. So, nakita nyo po yung ating puto. Green po ito. And, pagka tinignan natin, fluffy po ito. Beautiful. Okay. Maganda sa under. And, okay. Oops. There you are. So, kahit i-cut po natin yan, i-check po natin na luto po ng mabuti yung ating puto. So, here we are. Gonna taste it. Oh, it's a little bit hot. Okay. So, yeah. The green one. Delicious.